So tomorrow you're going to have the last chance to pick up the Jordan 3's A Ma Maniére. A shoe that for some reason, for some crazy reason, this shoe has been kind of slept on, you know, because I see some disrespect into this shoe. And I gotta tell you something. This right here is the absolute best quality sneaker of the year. Let me show you these. You probably already seen the box, but this box is really damn cool. Opens in a different way. Look at that. Just like flipping the wings through the side. The box, it opens really nicely. Then we have this area here that we put it up, and right here we can see that we have an A, and this right here is a 10. That's because this shoe released for the 10th anniversary of A Ma Maniére. That's why we have that like this, the A and the 10. I didn't know that at first, but now I know the details, and now I'm letting you know that. So that's how cool it is sometimes to revisit a pair of shoes. Then when we open that, we have these this burgundy, like a burgundy towel right here. Something that I don't recommend you to keep in the box, because I've seen people like complaining about some things like these. Right here we have these burgundy line. That's because of the bleeding of this thing right here. I'm gonna take this out of the box as soon as I finish this video. I'll put it right back just to show you everything, the packaging and everything of the shoe. But outside of it, forget about these. All right, I know it looks cool, but you don't want that in your box, because this thing right here can easily mess up this beautiful shoe, the A Ma Maniére Jordan 3's 2024, aka While You Were Sleeping. And that's a pretty good name for this shoe, I gotta say. But let me put this one on the side and take the other one out of the box, because oh man, there's a lot of things that I want to talk about here. You know, yeah, I've been going crazy over these amazing shoes. So let me just put the box right here, and let's begin this video, guys. Look at these shoes right here. These are unbelievably good, unbelievably beautiful. The colorway is really nice. The silhouette as a whole, man, it's a Jordan 3 right here, and I think A Ma Maniére really killed it on this one. They executed this one to perfection, and they went back to to their success, because the previous version, the previous Jordan 3 A Ma Maniére, for a lot of people, like including myself, is the best one out of all these A Ma Maniére collabs with Jordan brand. Yes, I still agree. The white pair, the white Jordan 3's A Ma Maniére is the better pair. But this one right here, in my humble opinion, is the second one. Jordan 3 is one of the best silhouette ever. It's my second favorite silhouette. The first one is the Jordan 1s, but those Jordan 1s A Ma Maniére, even though I think they are good, they were not like the best collab they did. I think the Jordan 4 was better than the 1s. Actually, the 2, I like the 1s a little more than the 2s, but the 2 was good. And the 12 were kind of good as well, but nobody went for those. Actually, those shoes, I saw the A Ma Maniére 12 in the outlets, so yeah. The 12 were not that great. At least people didn't take those seriously, even though I give props to A Ma Maniére for doing a Jordan 12 collab. Not many brands are doing that with a Jordan 12, but at least they try. But with these shoes, I've seen people calling these shoes not that great, even though they are amazing. And it's for the fact that a lot of people took W in this shoe, even though these shoes is not so like widely available. Actually, it's kind of limited. It's not extremely limited. I think there's only like 70,000 pairs of these shoes made. The problem is that the resellers and the hypebeasts didn't see a lot of profit on these shoes, so they passed on the shoes, and people who really wanted the shoes, we were able to put our hands on these shoes. This is actually the second pair I have, and I'm extremely happy about that. I'm extremely happy. But since the hype for these shoes has died down a little bit, you know, people are kind of disrespecting the shoe, but the shoe's dope. And I'm just here to say that the shoes dropping tomorrow. And if you really want a really solid pair of shoes, this might be the one for you, because look at that. Nice colorway on the shoe, really good materials. Just look at the leather on these shoes, is very impressive. This is premium quality leather on this one. Actually, the quality on these is better than the quality on the white pair of A Ma Maniére 3s. This one is so damn solid, so damn good. I like it. I like how the suede feels right here, replacing the elephant print. Yeah, we all love the elephant print, but when the shoe is really well made like this, I like suede right here, replacing the elephant print. I still will prefer elephant print any day, but I don't dislike shoes that looks like this. I like that. I like that as well. We have a predominantly black shoe, as we can see, with this violet color right here on the ankle area, where we have this suede material that looks a little tumble, like you can see right here on the tongue of the shoe. We also have the tongue in violet color, and then we have this strong sail midsole with this matte black finish right here on this area of the shoe. The air unit is usual, and take a look at the bottom of the shoe. It's looking pretty nice. The mix between the sail gray and that violet color, I think is really beautiful. I think this one is an amazing pair of shoes that, if you want it, I think you have a really good chance to get it tomorrow, which will be the last chance to get these shoes for retail. When we go into the inside, just to show you a little bit more of details on the shoe before I make the full comparison, because I'm gonna compare this one with some other shoes that I know you wanna see that. So on the inside, we have the quilted design right here for the stud liner, but unlike on the last pair of Jordan 3s, we don't have it on the back of the tongue. This time we have a bunch of A's right here, and I think they look fantastic as well. The insole of the shoe is not quilted either. It's just the same print that we have right here on the back of the tongue. We have it as well on the insole of the shoe. Also, if you remove the insole, we have a message right there. That's the name of the collection. While you were sleeping, you know I go for that. While you're sleeping, I'm here getting the shoes that I love. Thank you for that, by the way. I love that. I love that. The shoe comes pre-set up with these black laces, but the shoe also includes 2 extra pair of laces, which are these violet laces and the sail laces. I already gave you the on-fit lace swap look on the shoe, so I already show you how they look with the sail laces and the violet laces, as well as the black one. In my opinion, they all look fantastic. For what I have seen on Instagram, a lot of you love the sail color a little more. In the comment section of my lace swap video, you seems to like the violet a lot more, because not a lot of people were showing the violet laces on the shoe, and they really look good because they match the color of the tongue of the shoe. That, by the way, when it comes to the tongue, just like on the first one, we have 2 different logos. On this one, we have the Jumpman, and right here we have the A from A Ma Maniére. But on the back of the shoe, we have Nike Air in both. No A Ma Maniére branding or anything like that right there, but it's pretty cool like that. Also, the shoe include this hangtag that only have the Nike logo on both sizes. No A Ma Maniére here, but we have this carbon card right here with the A Ma Maniére things right here and the A Ma Maniére logo on the other side. Pretty cool, pretty cool. I ain't gonna wear my shoes with these, but I'm just letting you know they are right here. They are right here. The shoe is fantastic, quality wise amazing. It's a pair of Jordan 3s. Can't go wrong with the second greatest silhouette ever. For you, this might be the greatest. For me, it's a Jordan 1, but then it's a Jordan 3s. And then it's the 11s, and then it's the 4. And talking about the Jordan 4, A Ma Maniére just recently made a collaboration. I think it was last year. I'm not sure yet. It was last year, I think, right? Doesn't matter. But A Ma Maniére made another collaboration with Jordan Brand for these Jordan 4s right here. The Jordan 4s A Ma Maniére that have some similarities, because both of these have the violet color. In this one is a predominantly violet shoe with black accent, and this one is a predominantly black shoe with violet accent. But I like this one a lot more than these, even though I love these as well. But you know me, I like Jordan 3s a lot more than Jordan 4s, but both of these are amazing with great quality. A Ma Maniére is really good doing their collabs. Even the ones that are not that great for the majority of people are really good in my opinion. These two amazing with similar color palette, but implemented with different colorways. Amazing shoes, both of these. We can see the A Ma Maniére vibe in both of the shoes right here. And something really cool that A Ma Maniére also did with this one is that they changed the boxes. Later this year, we're gonna have another version of the Jordan 4s with A Ma Maniére with a different color, but we're going to have this same exact box that we have on this one right here. And it's cool because I like the new box better than the older boxes with these plastic thing covering the box. I like this a lot more than these. Let me know for you in the comment section which one you like more, these or these. I think this is more special than these. I don't know, that's just my opinion about that. But I've seen some other people saying that they're gonna pass on these shoes because they are going to wait for the black cement. And if you ask me which shoe is better between these and these, of course, man, black cement all day. This is the last version of the shoe. This is not the new one, but still looking really good. I think I have one of the better pairs because I've seen some pairs with crazy shape right here for the elephant print. But even though this one's not perfect, it's better than some other pairs that I see people owning. I think I have one of the greatest one for real. Quality, amazing, great shoe, great shoe. It's a little dirty because, you know, I love to wear my shoes, but it doesn't matter. My pair is still in really great condition, but of course, I'm going for the new one. Yes, the sneaker of the year, because for me, the new version of these shoes is gonna be a sneaker of the year. I love that shoe so much. But the fact that that shoe is coming, I already have these, and the new one is coming, right? That didn't stop me from getting these because these are special as hell. We're not gonna see this shoe ever again. But this one, the shoe is releasing this year. The shoe release, I think it was like 4 years ago. And not 4 years, like 5 years or something. Doesn't matter. This shoe is gonna come back in the future. But this one, we won't see it again. And the quality in this is better than the quality in these. Yes, this one is more classic. Of course, this one is more classic than these. But this is beautiful as well. Now, if you want to save the money for these because you want the better pair, yes, it's this one. That's not even an argument. This is the better pair. For some people might be these, and I love these, but even I can agree that this is the better one. So if you only have money to get one, this will be the one for you. I'm pretty sure about that. So good luck trying to get the black cement Jordan 3s, but don't sleep on these if you want a really great pair of shoes with amazing quality. That's all I'm saying. The shoes releasing tomorrow, last chance to get them for retail. So if you want it, good luck. Let me know your opinion about the A Ma Maniére 3s while you were sleeping. Don't let the shoe catch you slipping. The A Ma Maniére already told you, and I've been telling you that for years, so don't let these shoes catch you slipping. Because while you're sleeping, I'm here getting the shoes that I like. Thank you guys for watching the video. I really appreciate if you leave a like for your boy because the haters are not going to support the content. So if you appreciate this, show some love to your boy. Thank you for watching again. If you want to see more of my content, but outside of YouTube, make sure to follow me right here on my Instagram is JasonJKex. I'm always uploading videos, picture, sneaker information like shock drop, early access, all the upcoming releases. You're going to know about that first, right here on my Instagram, JasonJKex. Thank you again for watching, guys, and till the next one. Another dope pair of Jordan 3s is releasing this weekend, and I'm gonna make a pickup vlog, early look, and all that. Also a lace swap, so stay tuned for those videos. Goodbye.